Hey, Shabu. Overston? Alright. I gotta get my baby fed. You guys hungry? Alright. Stop spilling the water, mister. So I'm taking all their old food. Sorry, this is Sharon first. And I'm going to be feeding them. These ones have already been changed out. As far as the bedding, I'm just basically taking old food and putting new food in. I did rearrange the little girls and the big girls. Big girls are up here now, and then the little girls are down. So what I'm gonna do is one of these is for the little girls. Next a minute. I gotta go get Faith. She's outside right now with in the red room, so she can come in if she wants to. But she can't get in here. I need I'm putting the little girls and the big girls all have their calcium supplement. All right, this is big girls, and we got an egg. Drinking their water. I need to change that out. Put that egg over here. And this is the little girls now. Hi guys, I saved you. I'm saving you. Since these can't be shared with the big boys from this son, but it's pizza here either. Here you go, big girl. Big boys, look at their food. Hey, baby. Oh, baby. This is going out. I gotta go check on this. This one's gonna get filled. This one's gonna get full. I'm just tying them up here. Sometimes they get stuck on the bottom. Get that out. If it does get dirty, I will dump it. I'm gonna go get paper. Herself in a little pickle here. She can't get in. Right, go. Go. gonna get fed. There, I need to put in the other room. Oh, they got lots of food in here. Watch out, guys. I don't want to step in anything. Move, please, and thank you. So as soon as we're done eating, I'm gonna let them out. But I gotta feed the big little one first. So Sassy just got fed. These are all their kennels, their containers. Crazy girl, I don't know what she's doing, but she doesn't eat. I'm gonna take it from her and put it away. You ready to go back to bed? All right, come here. That's her telling me she's ready to go. I put everybody in the other room so that she could have some time out, because she doesn't normally stay out very long if there's anybody in here. Because she's kind of like just hiding what she's doing. And they're going to destroy this, which is fine for the floor. But I want to make sure they get fed first. They eat first before I let them in here. All right, let me get the little ones fed. These ones I don't need. Everybody else, they filled their containers. I don't want to step in anything. Look real quick. Sitting in anything. Alright, so generally what I do is fill up one of these containers that are basically empty. I have gravel here, and I just make a whole big pot of their food, and then I just put it in the container. Because I only have to feed the little boys and the big boys over here. Everybody else in there have been fed and has food. If they're not eating it, that's on them. But they have been offered. She normally doesn't eat this early in the morning unless she hasn't ate. Like she hasn't chosen to eat. That's for Aisha. Alright, let me get the little ones. They get vitamins once a week. They get mealy worms once a week. I have it. Right now I think we have a little bit enough for Monday. Not a whole lot. So if I don't have a whole lot left, I make sure that my quail get theirs first. They need a higher protein. And my silk. Those are two that have to have a higher protein content. Just because of the breed that they are. The rest of them, it's good for them to have it, but they can go without it. But in the wintertime, I use it. Make sure they all get. Alright. Basically, breakfast, most of the bulk of it is cleanup, which I've done. Like I said, that was already done. They get done at night. Or at lunchtime. More than likely lunchtime, just because if I have the time. Stacy, do not do that again. We're not doing this. Get off my bed now. Move. We're not pushing that over. I gotta move my pillow, but she's gonna keep doing that. I like to have my pillows here for a couple reasons. One is it kind of gives them the idea that this is my designated area. Stop fighting in there, Mama. Macho and Luna. This like, oh, protect my food like that. I just get it all over. All right, I'm gonna get real quick, you guys. I'm gonna get back to these puppies. So I am doing some volunteer work just because she's getting exhausted. I only have an 9 hour shift, and she's getting really tired. So I have offered to work a couple extra hours, which adds nothing to pay. So it's basically volunteer. Now this food, they got all of this at like 11 o'clock last night. They just haven't ate all of it, and I don't want them to miss. Usually I give the 12 their meals for the day all at one time, so they don't waste it, they don't play in it, they don't poop in it. Um, so it makes it just really a little bit easier to make sure that if something happens, like he still have enough. For, I gave him a lot, so he has enough for the day as well. So most of the time, like I said, I give them both of their food at the nighttime. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Um. Anyway, that is that. All right, you guys ready to come in? I'm gonna open the door. Face her to eat. She had plenty of time to eat. She doesn't want to. Now she all of a sudden she wants to start eating. All right. So what I do after that is I put, because we do have a rodent issue. I do leave their food in here. These are the ones anyway. But these are the extra food for the boy and for the baby. Let me check him real quick. Yeah, everybody's good. Let me fill up waters. He keeps filling his water. His area is so wet. It's ridiculous. But he has 2 subfloors that he can feed in, so that's not getting on his area that he's using. Why are you spilling your food? Oh, you want your water. The individual ones is not too much of an issue because their water container is sufficient. For a period of time, it's the little ones that make sure that they don't have, because they always have to. And they're pretty good at not spilling. All right, guys. Make sure you have water. Yeah. Nope. They're out. They are out. So then the next thing I want to do is, after they come in here, I'm going to knock everything over. He's going to come up here and hide. So I'll move everything over so that he can hide up here without knocking the door, which I'm hoping I'm not going to do. All right, here we go, Moo. Move everything over so you can go up. Go ahead. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to do a quick clean in the bird room from the mess they just made. And then they should be good until around 7:30 I come in and do a drink. Few waters with them. Stop it, you guys, and let her eat. What did you guys do with your water bowl? Seriously. Izzy, boo. Knock it off. Izzy's my velociraptor, so I gotta really be careful when the things are open, so she will just snap and them up. There you go, baby. And they think that she's like the rest of the birds and think that she's nice, especially the babies. They don't understand that she's not. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning this area up. That's enough, Macho, please. Thank you. I just gotta hurry. I don't like to leave the babies alone very long. They're sleeping right now, but that doesn't mean anything. And they're getting really active, so uh, if you're gonna start that crowing, you're gonna go in your room, which I'm cleaning right now. Which is why you do that. Because when it's not clean, he wants to. He wants to be able to go in it and hide. Lou will fight, but he's more of a hider than anything else. Lou is a fighter too, but he will fight. If they're together, they fight their brothers and stuff. But I don't know about like other entities. I don't know. They've never had an issue where they've been attacked. Anytime that there's like a hawk or anything like that, we're able to, the warning system has worked real well with us so that we can get them in. So far, anyway. Yeah. All right. So let me get my tools that I need for what I'm putting this room up. What's up? Down. I borrowed the one up here because I was being lazy this morning. I didn't want to open the box. All right. I don't know who that was. There's proof up there, but that should be shown. Oh, it's. All right. I need the dustpan and I need the two pads. How many? One for Macho, one up top, two for the bottom, and Sassy doesn't want one. Sassy got leftovers. I don't know what happened, but there were two pads for her during the day. Got pulled out from the outside and like pulled through the bars, which means that it's probably a rat that was doing it, trying to get to their food because their food was locked up inside their kennel. But they weren't in the kennel, or they were, I don't know. I don't know when it happened, but when first I noticed it, they were in the kennel. So I'm assuming they were in it. And I'm sure that freaked them out. Alright, so the food and other items. I know. So this food out. You guys are done eating. I don't know why I hear distress from the quills, but I do. The rat. That's why. They're fighting. Alright. The hardest thing is getting it moving and trying to move the kennel down because they like, especially when they're out of it, obviously, because they want to go back in. Right now I had it locked out from there because they would run back and forth, making them warm on that. So I just lock them out. Trying to keep their feet clean is what I'm trying to do. Why are you guys fighting? Who's fighting? There should be no fighting anywhere in there. Believe it or not, the food is what caused more problems on cleanup. Because when it's dry and it sticks to the floor, it really, now their poo really just rolls up. Pretty easy to pick it up most of the time, even if it's gooey or whatever, it's not too hard. Did you knock everything down? Is that what you're doing? You're making a mess for Mom? already mopped the floor in here. The third one was always last. I did wash a little bit of the pee pad, but I didn't wash the whole thing. Usually I wash half of it in the morning and half it in the afternoon so that it's not wet. That gives them half of it. Girls like to wash their feet with it. So usually I leave it out. After I do this mop, I leave it out for them to wash their feet. A little bit doesn't. I've never seen her wash her feet. But the girls with the feathers on the feet. So generally, she doesn't have dirty feet. But I don't know how that happens. Alright. So that stays there. Then I'm gonna start doing the tops where they root. This one I didn't have a pea pad on it. Sometimes there's roots on it, sometimes they don't. But usually it's a little bit, so I'm not worried about it because it's easy to clean. So she just puts right in the one spot. Unlike the boys who like to walk around and step in it and move it around and destroy it, the girls are very clean. Generally, they won't do any of that behavior. They just put in one pile. I'm trying not to get into with that. She's saying face in there. To be honest with you, she's keeping them entertained for me so that I can get their kennel done. All right. I got feathers that I got. So who gave me feathers today? I got Moo feather, and it looks like it's like either Luna or Isha. It looks like Luna. All right. So that looks like it's good. I gotta empty the water bucket and clean that out. Empty the top. Usually I just do one side, and the other side is that matcha panel on it. It doesn't get dirty very much. It does, or it does. The one that she sits on at night, that one I have to replace. And then I gotta do Lumu's in the kennel is the worst. Is there a rat in there? You better get that rat. Alright. This is done. Now I just have to do Lumu. Luna's on the top floor, where she has the top platform that he sits on, as well as the perch. Let me get his platform done first. What did I do with the dustpan? Oh, my gosh, Sherry. What the frick are you doing? Where is the dustpan broom at? I had it ready. I had all my stuff ready. I put it back. I don't know. Just did. Talking is not good for me. Okay. You're going back in your kennel to keep that up. Best I can do with that. They're getting better with the bottom. They used to stretch it all up. I think they realized benefits of it. So now they leave most of it alone. Lots of stretch his up if you can. I have them in a very. Stop that now! You're stop that right now! Oh, I gotta put them away. Nope, that's it. Nope, we're not doing this. If they keep it up, they're going to a sack if you don't stop. I need it. You will go in there with that. I'm ignoring you right now because you're being rude. Stop telling me there's a rat in the house when I already know. Stop. Stop. Stop it. You're either telling me there's a rat or that Honey made a mess on the bed. I don't know which one it is, but I'm assuming it's a rat. And if they keep it up in your house, you go all the way to the same kennel. All right, let's go. I'm not even going to touch you. Let's go. I'm not even going to touch you. You guys know the rules. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. I don't care what if there's a rat over there. You need to deal with your own business. Go back to your room now. Your room is all cleaned up. Let's go. Go. Go in your room. All right. I'm going to move them in the kennel. Locked up so nobody can get them. A little bit still in here. I'm dumping out their water container and then cleaning it. That's kind of going to move over making that. That noise. They don't like being out here if there's rats. Which I don't blame them. Honey can't fly and Moon won't leave him, so for them it's like they're not safe. They don't feel safe. The ones that can get up off the ground or fly away are more of the area to protect themselves. But the ones that can't fly and there's predators around, it's not good. It's not like they normally would attack them anyway, but if they're hungry enough, they will. All right. Alright, you guys, your room is clean. Your kennels are clean. Water is here. You got the mop bucket to wash your feet off with. I don't want no fussing. Alright. Grace is done with her food. I will take that. We got up there. And then we're done for this. I usually turn this light off because give them some quiet time. And that is it. Macho looks like it's going to be out. Izzy's out. Luna's out. Leah's eat out. Little Bit's in the bird room. Luce, she's over with Sass. Lily and Honey and Mumu are back in their kennels. Queen kennel and Sass is in his. And everybody else has been watered and fed. Let's go ahead and put these, that's my bowl. She's gonna sit here, I guess, and watch these girl babies. It's alright, Faithie girl. She can sit there. It's alright. I don't want you there. That's not gonna happen. You're not gonna come in here. She wants to lay an egg. And so I'm gonna take her over to the nest area. Leave her over there. Leave her alone, Luna. If I find out you're messing with, listen to me. We're not doing that. You're not gonna be messing with her. She's gonna lay an egg and you're bothering her. So I guess what you're gonna do? You're going back in the house too. I know Macho won't bother her. Generally, he's good. So she's gonna. I put Luna away. That's where you're gonna have to lay an egg. I put Luna away. He's locked up. She can't fly, so she. You want to come down? She can jump down. Come here. You want to come with Mama? You can't. All right, there you go. I don't know what to tell you. I got to go back in the house. You cannot go with me.